AI isn't just for tech giants anymore. It's for you. What if there is an AI that every business, big or small, could use to make smarter, faster decisions? AI has changed everything for us. We're making smarter decisions, faster. No tech skills required. Bigai is a no-code AI platform that brings the power of advanced analytics and automation to all businesses. Built for accessibility, anyone can start generating insights without needing a team of data scientists. Bigai, empowering every business with AI. AI is no longer just a tool for big tech. With Bigai, every business can harness the power of artificial intelligence. Imagine insights in seconds, personalized strategies, and smarter decisions, all without needing a data scientist. Businesses face countless challenges daily, but with Bigai, these problems turn into opportunities. AI doesn't have to be complicated, and it certainly doesn't have to be out of reach. Why does Bigai matter? Why do businesses need Bigai now more than ever? Because AI shouldn't be exclusive. It should be a tool that drives success for everyone. Accessibility. Traditional AI is often complex and costly. Bigai democratizes this by removing technical barriers. Impact on growth. With Bigai, businesses can boost productivity, reduce errors, and improve operational efficiency. Competitive edge. AI is becoming a necessity, not a luxury, and Bigai helps every business level up. Bigai matters because every business deserves access to data-driven insight. Bigai is an intuitive platform that provides real-time insights at the click of a button. Imagine having powerful AI recommendations that are tailored to your specific business needs. How does Bigai work? How does Bigai actually make AI accessible and useful for any business? No-code interface. Show the drag-and-drop simplicity of setting up a predictive model or analytics dashboard. Data handling power. Show structured and unstructured data inputs. Example, SQL, NoSQL, being seamlessly integrated and analyzed. Ease of use. Bigai's interface lets anyone navigate and apply AI tools. Scalable solutions. Bigai's analytics and deep learning work for a wide range of needs, from manufacturing to retail to healthcare. Real-time insights. Businesses get actionable insights right when they need them. Bigai, intuitive, powerful, and ready for every business. Why choose Bigai? Why should businesses invest in Bigai as their AI partner? Proven results. Bigai has demonstrated 10 to 25 times ROI for early adopters. Future potential. Bigai is scaling fast, and by joining, businesses get in on a groundbreaking AI transformation. Bigai, proven results, powerful impact. Bigai's unique features. Simplicity. With a few clicks, any business can get AI-driven insights. No coding, no complex setup. It's AI as easy as using a smartphone. Industry-specific solution. Bigai offers tailored solutions across different industries, from retail to healthcare, making AI feel like it was built just for you. Cost-effectiveness. Bigai democratizes AI by making it affordable. You don't need a big budget to take advantage of Bigai. Real-world use cases and impact. Predictive maintenance in manufacturing. Challenge. Downtime and unexpected equipment failures are costly in manufacturing. Solution. Bigai's predictive maintenance models analyze sensor data in real time to detect potential equipment failures before they happen. Impact. By predicting maintenance needs, companies reduce downtime by up to 40%, save on repair costs, and enhance equipment lifespan. Demand forecasting and inventory optimization in retail. Challenge. Retailers often face challenges in managing stock, leading to overstock or stockouts. Solution. Bigai's inventory optimization analyzes purchasing trends, seasonality, and customer demand to recommend ideal stock levels. Impact. Retailers using Bigai have decreased inventory costs by up to 30% and improved customer satisfaction through better product availability. Real-time video analytics for security. Challenge. Monitoring and ensuring security across large areas with traditional surveillance is difficult and resource-intensive. Solution. Bigai's real-time video analytics detects loitering, intrusion, line crossing, and slip and fall incidents in real time, enhancing safety and response times. Impact: organizations have reduced incident response time by 50% and improved overall site security through automation. Healthcare: Big AI empowers healthcare providers with data insights to improve patient outcomes, optimize staffing, and reduce operational costs. Let's hear from the businesses that have already transformed with Big AI.
Thanks to Big AI, we optimized our inventory, reduced waste by 30%, and increased profits without needing an analytics team. Big AI helped us predict what products our customers wanted, boosting our sales by 50% in just 3 months.
Big AI is bridging the gap, making AI accessible, impactful, and affordable. It's time to rethink what's possible. Big AI empowers every business to make smarter decisions. Want to see how Big AI can transform your business? Start your journey with Big AI today. Empowering every business with AI.